Of the single man, hanging lifeless on his every word. Oh no, man, you don't understand.